And you know that area of scalene triangle is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, here I am going to calculate the area of the triangle ABC. That's why I use the area of scalene triangle formula, that is s into square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. And you know that s means perimeter, half of the perimeter of triangle ABC, that is s equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Okay, here a means 12 cm, C means 9 plus xcm, and B means 3 plus xcm by 2. 9 plus 12 plus 3, that is 24, x plus x 2x by 2. If you take 2s common from the terms 24 and 2x, it will be s equal to 2 into 12 plus x by 2. Here 2 get cancelled, so the remaining value is s equal to 12 plus x. Okay. Now substitute the s value in the formula of triangle ABC, that is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, s means 12 plus x, s minus a, s means 12 plus x, minus a means 12. So look at here, a is 12, c is 9 plus x, b is 3 plus x. Okay, that's why substitute here, s is 12 plus x, minus a means 12. Now coming to the s minus b, s means 12 plus x, minus wrote the minus, I wrote minus as it is, b means 3 plus x. Okay, now coming to the third one, s minus c, s is 12 plus x, minus c means 9 plus x. Okay, simplify this, 12 plus x, I wrote 12 plus x as it is, 12 plus x minus 12 plus 12 minus 12 get cancelled, so the remaining value is x. Now coming to the third bracket, that is 12 plus x minus of 3 plus x. So in front of 3 plus x there is a symbol minus, so that's why minus applied to both the values 3 and x. Okay, 12 plus x minus 3 minus x plus x minus x get cancelled, 12 minus 3 9, and similarly if you simplify this you will get 3. Okay, so and if you simplify further, 9 3s are 27, x into 12 12x, x into x x square. So finally the answer will be square root of 27 into x square plus 12x, and name this equation as equation 1. Okay, so this is the area of triangle ABC by using the formula s into square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, so in another way we can also calculate the triangle area of triangle ABC. Let's watch it. This entire triangle ABC is divided into three triangles. They are OBC. Okay, don't get confused. OBC and AOC and AOB. Okay, so if you calculate the area of these three triangles, and it will gives the result of entire triangle ABC. Okay, entire triangle ABC is divided into three small triangles. They are OBC triangle, OAC triangle and OAB triangle. If you calculate these three triangles areas and if you add these three triangles areas, it will gives the entire triangle ABC area. Okay, so I wrote here, but area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle OCA plus area of triangle OAB. Okay, area of triangle OBC. So coming to the area of triangle OBC, we know that area of triangle ABC, area of triangle formula is of base into height. So here we are going to calculate triangle OBC. What is the base here? BC. What is the height here? OD. Okay, because this is the point of contact and this is the tangent. Radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other at point of contact. That's why this is the perpendicular. Okay, therefore area of triangle OBC equal to half base into height. Similarly area of triangle OCA, coming to the triangle OCA. So this is, in this triangle AC is the base and OE is the height. So that's why of CA into OE. And similarly triangle OAB. Now coming to the triangle OAB. In this triangle, AB is the base and OF is the altitude. That's why of AB into OF. Okay. Now substitute the values. Of BC is 12 cm, OD is 3 cm. So coming to here, BC is 12 cm, 9 plus 3, OD is 3, because this is the radius. Radius is 3 centimeters, because at first we discussed the radius. We discussed about the radius of the given circle, that is 3 centimeters. That's why OD is 3, OE is 3, OF is 3. Okay. Now coming to the second step, that is of CA into OE. CA is 3 plus x, OE is 3. And now third one, of AB into OF. I wrote of as it is. AB is 9 plus x, because the side AB is 9 plus x and OF is 3 centimeters. Okay. If you simplify this, of into 12 3s are 36 plus I took the half common, that's why half into 12 into 3 36, 3 into 3 9, 3 into x 3x, 3 into 9 27, 3 into x 3x. Okay. And if you simplify this, the entire value will be half into 72 plus 6x. 72 plus 6x, these are two multiples, that's why we can take 2 as common. So that's why I took 2 as common, that is half into 2 into 36 plus 3x. If you take 2 as common, the remaining answer will be 36 plus 3x. Here 2 get cancelled, so the remaining answer will be 36 plus 3x. Okay. From the equation 1, area of triangle ABC is square root of 27 into x square plus 12x. And from the equation 2, area of triangle ABC is 36 plus 3x. This is the area of triangle ABC, and this is also area of triangle ABC. So from equation 1 and 2, these two are areas of triangle ABC. Okay, that's why we can equal them. So that means we can equal equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, from 1 and 2, square root of 27 into x square plus 12x equal to 36 plus 3x, because here in the both equations LHS are equal, that's why we can equal the RHS values. Okay. Now we are going to cancel the root value, that's why squaring on both sides, then we get 27 into x square plus 12x. Okay. If you do squaring on both sides, we will get 27 into x square plus 12x equal to 36 plus 3x whole square. Here square root get cancelled, and here we will get square. Okay. Now multiply this 27 into x square, 27x square, 27 into 12x, 324x. This is in the form of a plus b whole square, that's why expand this a square, that is 36 square, 36 whole square, it will be 1296, and b square means 3x whole square, it will be 9x square, and 2ab, 2 into 36 into 3x, it will be 216x. Okay. Now transpose the terms and simplify the terms. You will get 18x square plus 108x minus 1296 equal to 0. So these all are 18 multiples, that's why cancel 18 table in these three terms. So it will give x square plus 6x minus 72 equal to 0. Now factorize this, you will get x equal to 6 or x equal to minus 12. But x value can't be negative, because sides of triangle can't be in negative values, hence x equal to 6. Therefore AB equal to 9 plus x means 9 plus 6 equal to 15 cm, and AC is 3 plus x, but x means 6, that's why 3 plus 6 equal to 9 cm. Okay.